Today I bought a earphone.
Oh, very good. Does it have like a microphone and stuff?
Yeah, like that. Its quality is very good.
He's good. That's good. That's good.
Yeah. So how is going on? Everything is okay?
It's been well. Thank you for asking. How about yourself?
Yeah, everything is good. But my mother is always sick. Still now she is sick. So that's why I'm very bored sometimes.
Understand. That's tough to deal with when your mother's sick.
Yeah,
I hope she gets well.
I hope. I have some question. So my viewer want to know about you. They always ask me, you ask Winona. They are very
Sure, I would love
crazy.
to answer some questions.
They're very crazy. Everyone want to know about you. Okay, give me 1 minute. I'll back. I know the answer too many questions, but I'm asking for my lovely viewers. Okay, let's
Right.
start. Where are you from?
Originally Georgia, but I'm from Florida, United States.
Are you married? And how many kids do you have?
I'm not married. I have two kids, one 11-year-old and one 6-year-old.
And what do you do for living?
I take care of elderly and disabled people. I do it at facilities and at their homes.
Okay. And what is your religion?
I'm a Christian.
What do you do usually on weekend?
What do I like to do on the weekend?
Yeah.
I like to go hiking. I like to go to the beach. I like to go to the springs, things like that.
Okay. And what do you do for stay fit?
Oh, exercise.
Yeah.
I do exercise videos and I go for walks.
What is your biggest dream?
What's my biggest dream?
Yeah.
That my kids grow up happy and healthy, have happy lives.
What is your favorite food?
My favorite food? Probably chicken. I love chicken.
That's great. And who is your idol? Who is your idol? You want to
Oh,
follow?
idol? Oh, probably Jesus.
Okay. Do you like movie? And what's your favorite movie?
Oh, probably They Live. It's from the 80s.
You really like?
I love I like old movies. Yeah, from the 80s and the 90s. They're the best.
Okay. And what is your daily routine? What you do every day?
Daily routine.
Yeah.
It changes. Because some days I work, some days I don't work. It really depends. Like, for example, today, I woke up early. I got Vigo, and then I went back to sleep, then cooked breakfast, made lunch, and at some point I'm gonna go take the kids to the park.
Okay. You
Probably that's all I've done today.
you spend time with your kids, right? Yeah, you should have take time for your kids. Not only you, everyone should take time for kids. So I have another question. What which is perfect for marriage? A boy or girl?
Oh, probably 30.
30. And why? Can you describe? I only know about your opinion, not the other.
A lot of times I think society pressures people to feel like they need to get married. And I think that's why everybody gets divorced because they're in a rush to get married to people that they really don't have anything in common with. When you're young, you don't really know what you want. You don't know a lot about life. You're still figuring out life. So to think that you have discovered the person that you're going to be for the rest of your life and you don't even have life figured out and you don't even know who you are is kind of unrealistic. So I think 30 is better.
Yeah. In my opinion, if your heart say you can. It's
Jay said 70.
70. It's too old for marriage. It's too old.
Jay, that's funny.
It's really funny, really, really funny. So many people are dying at 70.
I think that's because I've been divorced, so it's very unfortunate. That's kind of why I look at it that way. They're just joking. I hope.
Is it
I
possible
hope
to
you guys are joking.
get married at 70?
Yes, people do it all the time, believe it or not. I see older people dating, so people in their 90s, people in their 80s.
It's really crazy about in my country. It's not happening. It's a very rare.
He needs love. Even older people.
Yeah, everyone deserve love. How was the weather in your country?
In the country, it's not been good. We've been getting a lot of rain. Florida, it's been hot, but that's normal for Florida. It's summer. It's very hot. It's like 100 degrees. I think that's 30 Celsius.
100 degrees. It's really, really hot.
37 Celsius.
Oh my god. In my country, rainy season, also its weather is very bad. All day raining and raining. Weather is very hot also. I don't like this weather.
Really?
Yeah. Which weather you like?
Sunny weather, but I don't like for it to be so hot that you can't go outside.
Yeah, it's really, really tough to survive in this weather if you want to travel in other cities or other countries. It's a very, very difficult moment. You like to traveling, but you are visiting any new place?
I want to. It's just difficult sometimes with work and being tied down with work. Well, Wally, do you have any more questions for me? Because after this, I'm going to end the live for a little while.
It's okay. I have done, not now, I have done question for you because I'm really sweating. So I don't want to ask any other question now.
Thank you so much. Thank you for coming. I will be on later. I'm just gonna take the kids to the park and go get out of the house for a little while because we need to get out of the house.
Okay, no problem. We meet again in later, okay?